The next question by Abdul Razak from Ghana but residing in Ecuador. There aren't many Muslims in Ecuador here, and most of the cities have no Muslims at all. The animals here are killed in non-Islamic ways. As a Muslim, am I permitted to eat the meat depending on my current situation? A similar question from Imran Ashraf, who's a Pakistani living in Philippines. He says, in Philippines where I stay, it is difficult to slaughter an animal and eat it. Moreover, what is available in the market does not have a halal stamp. What should I do in such a scenario? We need to know that the meat that we eat, it should be slaughtered in the Zabiha method. The Zabiha method, it is the method of slaughtering wherein we cut the throat, the windpipe and the blood vessels of the animal without damaging the spinal cord. Because if we cut the spinal cord, there can be a cardiac arrest which will result in stagnation of the blood. And as science tells us that blood is a good medium of bacteria, germ and toxin. When we slaughter in the Islamic method, these diseases, they are eliminated. And the Zabiha method, the slaughtering should be done with a sharp object or knife, and it should be done swiftly. The meat that is slaughtered in the Islamic method, using the Zabiha method, the meat remains fresh for a longer time. And the nerve that is reaching to the brain, this nerve, it is disconnected when we slaughter through the Zabiha method, thus causing the animal no pain. The animal kicks and writhers not due to pain but due to the flow of the blood out of the body. So coming back to the question that if Zabiha meat is not available, so what should you do? You should try to find for Zabiha meat, and you should ask the chef or the person in the restaurant, if you're having food in a restaurant, that is the meat slaughtered in an Islamic way. If it is not, then you should avoid this meat. You have various other options. For example, you can get the chicken at home, you can slaughter the chicken at home. You can also eat fish, you can eat vegetables, etc. But if the meat is not halal, then you should avoid such meat.